Hey everyone, today I thought I'd do a video on a brand new MEMECOIN tool that will help you find 10x or 100x coins just like the one that you'll be seeing on the screen right now. So I found this coin yesterday at a very low market cap before it even migrated. It popped up on this tool which is called Moby Screener. I'm going to quickly explain what it is and how you can use it to find brand new winners. And I'm also going to show you a load of different new tools that I've been finding over the past couple of months in the MEMECOIN space, just to make it better, just to make sure you don't get rug pulled and you can avoid all the bundled coins and all the rest of the ones that you don't want to even touch. So this tool right here is called MobyScreener.com. You can find a link to that in the description below. I'm using that and Axiom Pro and an extension called Uteno. I still don't even know how to say it. I've been trying to say it for ages. Extension, or something like that. So I've done other videos on how to sign up to Axiom Pro in the past, but all you need to do to sign up to Moby Screener is click the link in my description below and you'll be taken to this page. Now you won't see any of what I just seen then until you go into Moby Screener, this little tab right here, and then click Degen mode. Now let me explain what Degen mode quickly is. So Degen mode tracks Let's Bonk and Pump Fund for traders with the highest profits and includes them as whales in the algorithm. Now this tool is amazing, especially for beginners, because one of the main strategies for MEMECOIN trading is finding loads of different wallets, loads of different whale wallets, and tracking them on Axiom Pro, and then you'll be able to see when they're buying into all these different coins. But if you're brand new, you won't even know where to look, you won't even know the right MEMECOIN whale wallets to find, and it's a very tedious and time-consuming process. You can see as many whales as pretty much possible because this uses an algorithm to find the traders who focus on brand new coins, and then the Degen mode highlights the coins that they're aping into. Now, not every single coin on here is going to be amazing. You will find some runners and you will find some ones that will just completely rug. So since I've last done videos on MEMECOINs, it's become a very unpredictable space. So if you're around from the channel when I did MEMECOIN videos in the bull run, strategies have completely changed. Obviously, the wallet tracking system is still there, but it's not as clear cut as it used to be. Now, at the moment, the ones that have been doing really well are these ones. So what you need to be looking for on Moby Screener is the amount of whale trades and whale buys that have happened on a certain token. Now, what I do is I'll quickly go over to the side and click by age, so you're seeing the latest coins that are popping up. Now, with this one, when I seen the pop one, I noticed that there was around 40 to 50 whale trades on this token when it was around 40k market cap. Now you can see where it went to. It quickly ran up to this level, shot back down, and then ran up again. And the reason why it ran up again is because of the community factor that was behind this MEMECOIN. So when you click on MEMECOINs now on Axiom Pro, you can see that there's community links, ex-community links that are then linked to that MEMECOIN. Now, what makes a good coin is the amount of people that are joining it, who's set up the MEMECOIN as well. So it's created by a certain person, created by this Yu-Gi-Oh who's got 2.42k followers. This example that I'm looking at now, this GPT-5, and you can see when we first clicked on, I've not actually entered this coin, but when we first clicked on, it was at 13k market cap. Now it's at 30k market cap. So I've missed a nice 2x opportunity just making this video. But one of the reasons why it's doing so well is because it's made by a person who has 2.4k followers in the crypto space. They're existing in the crypto space and they always make different sort of MEMECOIN calls. He spotted this one, Grok 4, and there's quite a few others that he's been able to find. So he's got an already existing presence in the MEMECOIN space, and I guarantee because it's about GPT-5, there'll be some type of brand new news about ChatGPT-5. Yeah, apparently GPT-5 is launching this summit. So that's one of the reasons why it is doing so well. Let me first show you why you need this U extension. So U extension, all I'm doing when I'm checking all these MEMECOINs is checking the bundle checkers and checking anything else I can find with this. So this only works really with pump fund coins. So if you click this U extension once you've downloaded it and set it all up, so if you click on the Chrome extension and then click bundle check, you'll then be able to see if there's any people that are bundling that are holding this coin. What's also great about this U extension, you see what alpha groups are buying into a certain token. So if there's a bunch of alpha groups that are buying in, like Shocked, DigiWorld, Tag, Potion's the biggest one. If they're buying into a meme coin and holding it, then it's got more of a likelihood of doing well. This is what you want to be looking out for. You want to be looking out for communities now when you're checking for meme coins. You want to be seeing if it's got a decent meme. And this one's quite funny. It's incorporating the pump.fun meme because there's quite a few things going on about pump fun, including the fact that they're doing their own token on the 12th of July. And it's included a dog meme as well, pup fun. So the fact that obviously in the crypto space there's tons of memes about dogs and all the rest of it, those two combined, I was looking at this going, let me just wait and see how it does, and then eventually got in when I seen that it was taken off. And that is the strategy that I would be giving for you guys, especially when you start seeing that there's alpha groups joining in and all the rest of it. But you can find a lot of these from the Moby screen at Degen mode. A lot of the ones that come in at the start, the ones that are only a couple minutes low, the ones that come in at the start, the ones that are only a couple minutes old, might not perform too well. Usually I'll wait a bit. I'll see how many whales have bought into it. I'll look at the volume of a token and all the rest of it. If the volume starts going above 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 and it's only a couple minutes old, then I know that it's more likely going to be a winner. But I'm always double checking it. I'm not just jumping in being a proper degen and jumping in all the time. I'm watching to see if it starts pumping up loads, if it starts getting a bit of a community factor behind it, and if it's something people can start to repost, and if these alpha groups join in. And obviously I'll double check the bundle check. There are a couple bundles in here, but they're not bundling too much and they're not holding any of it anymore. So here's another one that did really well and I missed literally while I was asleep, which sort of annoys me. And it's called the Great Extraction. Now this is a theme in the meme coin space at the moment just because of the pump fun coin sale. It's only got 88 members, but because it's a good meme, everyone's sort of talking about pump fun doing a mass extraction and taking everyone's money, which is quite funny. But then if you go on a community, you start seeing a lot of people posting about it. If you go to the latest and you see how active the actual community is and how many people are posting in it, if you see that there's an alpha group in it, the bundle check doesn't work with bonk tokens, it only works with pump fun tokens. But there's a bunch of stuff you can do with your extension. You can also click DEX status to see if the DEX is paid. But all I've been doing is watching this, seeing what coins come up. Obviously, the ones that come up literally that are only a couple minutes old, I'll just check them. Usually, they might not be doing anything too cool, but this one's bonk with mask, with hat, with helmet. Obviously, taking a bunch of different narratives there. It's created by a person with 750 followers. I'm following quite a few people in the crypto space as well. So if you do that, if you follow quite a few people in the crypto space and they are following the person who created this coin, then that's also more likely going to be a winner, if that makes sense. If a lot of other people in the crypto space are following them, make sure you check out the Degen mode tool. What I do is in times of high volume, so if you go onto the extension, once you're on Axiom Pro, if you go onto the extension, if you see that there's a lot of volume, what I'd be doing is watching the Degen mode, waiting for the ones with a lot of buys, usually 10 or more buys after an hour or something like that, and just watch different tokens. The ones that just pop up and are only a couple minutes old, I'd be really careful about getting into those ones because they're more likely to be rug pulls. But you can use this as a tool to help you find all the communities and all the winners that will potentially be pumping. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you sign up to Axiom and Moby Screener in the link in our descriptions below, and subscribe to us for more trading content.